Today, I'm making crispy, spicy chicken with a twist. We're using Doritos Dynamite as a breading instead of regular breadcrumbs. This gives the chicken an extra crunchy, flavorful kick that you won't find in traditional recipes. I wanted to take a simple, classic fried chicken recipe and give it a fun, bold twist. Doritos Dynamite is packed with bold flavors and spice, making it the perfect choice for a crunchy, spicy coating on the chicken. To start, I seasoned the chicken breast with garlic, salt, and your favorite seasoning. Feel free to use pre-made seasoning or create your own blend. I rubbed the seasoning into the chicken to infuse it with flavor. For added heat, I added jalapeno peppers. Jalapenos provide a nice level of spiciness without being overwhelming. I finely chopped the peppers and mixed them with the seasoning for even heat distribution. Once the chicken had marinated for about 10 minutes, I was ready for the breading. Instead of breadcrumbs, I crushed Doritos Dynamite into small pieces. You can do this by hand or in a food processor. The Doritos provide a satisfying crunch and a ton of flavor. I coated the chicken in flour, dipped it into beaten eggs, and pressed it into the crushed Doritos to create a crispy, flavorful crust. Next, I fried the chicken in hot oil, cooking it until it was golden and crispy on the outside, while staying juicy and tender on the inside. The Doritos crust crisps up beautifully in the oil, giving the chicken a satisfying crunch and the perfect balance of texture and flavor. The combination of Doritos and jalapeños brings together American and Brazilian flavors. Doritos are a classic American snack, and jalapeños are widely used in the US. This fusion of bold flavors is what makes this dish unique. The spiciness of the jalapeños and the crunchiness of the Doritos make the chicken exciting and full of flavor. This recipe is perfect for anyone who loves bold, spicy flavors and is looking for a quick and easy meal. The Doritos coating adds a fun twist to fried chicken, and the inside stays juicy and tender. It's a simple, no-fuss recipe that's perfect for busy days when you want something delicious. If you've never tried breading chicken with Doritos, I highly recommend giving it a try. You'll be surprised by how good it tastes. And if you have any other fun ideas for breading chicken, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your variations. Give this recipe a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy and tasty recipes like this one. Hit the bell so you don't miss any new recipes. There's always something fun and delicious coming up. If you're looking for a fast and flavorful meal, this crispy, spicy chicken with Doritos Dynamite is the way to go. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. It's a must-try.